Yeah, hi friends. Hope all of you healthy and safe. Right. This small video is basically to give clarity on few questions asked by students. Yeah, the basic question they're asking, I as you know, like I released a new book that is Financial Reporting Made Easy for CA Final new syllabus. Right. And we had already Ind AS Made Easy, and that now right now edition is sixth edition, that is for new syllabus CA Final. Right. These are the two books. Yeah, just what you can see right now. Right. See, this is the financial reporting made easy. What is the basic question from the students? Sir, what are these two? What is the difference between these two books? And are we suppose if you purchase financial reporting made easy, will that be sufficient for our financial reporting syllabus? Yeah. So first question, just I would like to clarify. Right. See, in Ind AS made easy, in the previous edition, that is fifth edition. Right now, this is sixth edition. In the fifth edition, yes, in the fifth edition, I gave hardly, right, this is Ind AS. Yeah. Like with respect to Ind AS 10, Ind AS 110, that is financial consolidated financial statements, and with respect to Ind AS 103, business combination, with respect to Ind AS 102, okay, and with respect to 28, and these basic these standards, I had given very brief explanation. That will not be sufficient for writing this financial reporting paper. Yeah, it was obviously brief explanation. Okay, right. Ind AS 110, if I remember correctly, hardly 25 pages were given. Okay, you know, like you already may be solving or you are aware of consolidation, correct? Na? One sum will take like 2-3 pages minimum, isn't it? Right. So Ind AS 103 business combination also approximately same 20 to 25 pages information I provided. That was just a brief discussion because we can't insert, I mean, we can't explain all these things in Ind AS made easy book. Okay. And even SBP, that is share based payments. Share based payments are also like, again, that is also like 25 to 30 pages around, not more than that. Right. So what did I do in this financial reporting made easy in this now in this new book? Right. In this new book, I have explained these chapters only in depth. Yeah, I'll show you what is the index of financial reporting made easy. In-depth explanation is given, step-by-step answering with respect to consolidated financial statements, business combination, and share-based payments. Each step is explained with the journal entries. Okay, right. And approximately like even only 110 only approximately we took I think like 200 or 200 plus pages. And business combination will come to around 150 maybe plus pages. Even SBP alone will be like around 70 pages. Like the totally all other chapters also included. What other chapters in the sense CSR, corporate social reporting, integrated IR, integrated reporting, analysis of Ind AS financial statements, right? Division 2, that is a Schedule 3 financial statements format and detailed disclosure information as required by guidance note of ICAI. I just added few points where are required exactly. Okay, right. So this book will cover, like I'll show you this. FR Made Easy will cover this is the following information actually. This is the syllabus. This is the index with respect to FR Made Easy. Okay, 102, 28, business combination. Now onwards, all these things are in consolidated related. Done. And schedule 3 information, analysis of financial statements, corporate financial reporting, integrated reporting. This is the syllabus of financial reporting made easy. Right. Fine. Right. Next, with other than these standards, are covered in Ind AS made easy 6th edition. Right. And one more basic question, are there any great changes with respect to Ind AS? There are no changes applicable to your November exam. There are no amendments happened. Recently some amendments came up, but that won't be for November exam. That will be for May exam. And those amendments are also not with respect to your, I mean, that won't amount to great change. But in Ind AS made easy 6th edition, I made some substantial changes with respect to financial instruments and some more standards where I felt like presentation should be little changed, and obviously some additions of the questions. Previous year examination questions, recent RTP questions are all, everything is added. Okay, right. Other than that, other than this, there is no other change. Right. So now I hope you understood. If you take up both the books, basically, what are the both the books? Financial Ind AS Made Easy plus Financial Reporting. Both the books, if you take up, that will cover 100% of your paper one financial reporting. Okay, right. It will cover both the books together. It will cover whatever was not discussed in the earlier book. Ind AS Made Easy. Now it is explained in detail in FR Made Easy. Okay, right. Now these books are available. Yes, these books are available in this website. That is, I just made a new website recently, ravikantmiryala.com. That's just my name. That's it, ravikantmiryala.com. Yes, if you, people can visit this website for books. Thank you.